You can easily download these files without any hassle. There's no complicated process, no sign-up, and no extra steps involved. First, go to the video description below. There, you will find a Google Drive download link provided for you. Simply click on that link and it will take you directly to the files. Once you open the Drive link, you'll see all the available files neatly organized. From there, you can preview the files if you want, and then download them with just a single click. The best part is, you don't need any kind of password to access these files. Everything is completely free and ready for you to use instantly. Whether you're using these files for personal work, study, or professional purposes, you can use them without any restrictions. Also, the files are high quality and easy to edit, so you can customize them according to your needs without any problem. So don't waste your time searching elsewhere. Just go to the description, click the Drive link, and download everything you need right now. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to like this video, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful content like this in the future.